Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix device band problem on your Snapchat account. So guys, if you're trying to log in your Snapchat account but you're unable to do this and your account is locked or your device is banned, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open your browser in your device. And after this, search here for sport.snapchat.com. Here it is. Tap on this. And now again tap on Snapchat Sport. And wait here for some seconds. And now you have to simply scroll it below and tap on My account is compromised. So guys, tap on this, my account is compromised, and wait here for some seconds. So guys, you have to simply check this button to I cannot access my account from here. So guys, here you can see this, simply check this button to I cannot access my account and scroll it below. And from here you have to simply check this button to I think my account was compromised. So guys, do this, and after this scroll it below, and in this box you have to simply give here your username and then your email address that is associated with your Snapchat account, and give here your mobile number, and then in this box you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, that you have not violated any community guidelines on Snapchat but your device is banned on Snapchat and you are unable to use Snapchat. So as you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, and after this simply submit this report to the Snapchat team. So guys, they will oversight this matter, and after reviewing your account, hopefully your device ban problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.